You're beautiful.
Oh, I can't be.
Yes, you are. Very, very beautiful.
I've never been to 6 parties in one night in my whole life.
Extremely beautiful.
I wonder what the servants will think.
They'll think we enjoyed ourselves, didn't we?
Dear, I don't see why I have to go straight out to the newspaper.
You never should have married a newspaper man. They're worse than sailors.
Charles, the newspaper men have to sleep.
I'll call Mr. Bernstein and I'll have him put off all my appointments until noon. What time is it?
I don't know, it's late.
It's early.
Do you know how long he kept me waiting last night when he went out to the newspaper for 10 minutes? What do you do in a newspaper in the middle of the night?
Emily, my dear, your only correspondence is the Enquirer.
Sometimes I think I prefer a regular flesh and blood.
Oh, Emily, I don't spend that much time at the newspaper.
It isn't just the time, it's what you print, attacking the president.
You mean Uncle John?
I mean the president of the United States.
He's still Uncle John. He's still a well-meaning fathead who's letting a pack of high-pressured crooks run his administration. This whole oil scandal.
He happens to be the president, Charles, not you.
That's a mistake that will be corrected one of these days.
Your Mr. Bernstein sent you somewhere for the most incredible atrocity yesterday. Charles, I just can't have it in the nursery.
Mr. Bernstein is apt to pay a visit to the nursery now and then.
Really, Charles, people will think.
What I tell them to think.